Here I have a piece of 6 centimeter by 10 centimeter, and now I am going to put the lines on it. Here I have put the lines on 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Now on the other side, what I want from the bottom, I want 2 centimeter first of all. Another line at 2 centimeter. I am using the guideline of my match, so I don't have to put the marks with the ruler. If you have a mat like that, it's easy for you. Next one is coming after 3 centimeter. And before that we want another one at 2 centimeter. So here I have, this was total 10 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, then 1 centimeter, and then 3 centimeters. Okay, so this is the seat of my chair. Okay, now next one thing we want here, we want to put the marks at the half centimeters. Okay, because we want to make a for that I am using my ruler. I need few marks on half centimeter. This side as well. Now I am going to put the lines with these marks. Here I am going to omit this line from this seat, so we don't want extremely cut it or score it. Okay, Here I have, there are some portions that we don't want this portion. We don't want this portion. Okay, so first of all I am going to get rid of those portions. I can use my scissors to cut it. I can also use my cutter. Here I have. Okay, my structure is almost ready. Now I need to put some scores on the lines so I can fold them easily. Don't cut it, just score it to help you for folding. Leave the set area if you can. If you mark it, it doesn't matter too much, but try to leave it so it stays stronger. Now I have scored it. Now I can fold all of these portions. Okay, all we want to do, we want to make squares like this. Try not to break anything. Okay, before gluing it, I am going to fold everything. Okay, now one more cuts. These are my legs. These 4 portions are my legs, so they need to stay with the seat and detach from these portions. Okay, and the last portion that is with the seat, you are not going to cut that. Just remember, one of these, the last one, is staying with the chair. You are not going to cut it. Okay, same way here. leave the last portion with the seat. Okay, and I want to detach it from here as well. It is still attached to this portion. So you can see these portions are detached. Okay, okay, I am going to fold them inside. Okay, all the four legs are ready and they are going to be moved this side. Okay, right. What about these? These we are going to fold up. Okay, just making just like little armrest for the chair. Okay, these are not actually armrest. I am just showing you, telling you that's just like we are going to fold it upside like armchairs. Okay, all right, we are done with these. And when these are going down, this portion is going to be back side of our seat. So from 3 centimeter up, I am going to move this one down. This one is going, I have to score it here as well, so I can simply use okay, and I can fold them inside or outside. I am going to fold it on the back side. Okay, now I am going to glue all of it. I am going to start with these. Now I have glued it and folded it. You can see all the pillars, four-sided pillars are here, 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 and they make a very strong support for this chair. This chair is very strong You can put very heavy things on it and it won't collapse. Okay, so this is how you make something with paper or cardboard and make it very strong.